Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everybody, myself Rahul Mishra and I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of Entries. Student, in this video I am going to discuss IBPS Clerk 2017 Pre-Reasoning Memory Based paper. From this paper I have taken the most important floor based puzzle which has been already asked in the IBPS Clerk pre-examination, and you can expect the same level in your upcoming clerical pre-examination. Okay, so this video will be very important for all those aspirants, those who are preparing for IBPS Clerk examination. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so we will discuss question number 1 to 5. So the question is, a building has 8 floors numbered 1 to 8 in such a manner that ground floor is numbered 1, the floor above it numbered 2, and so on, such that the topmost floor is numbered 8. One of the 8 persons P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W lives on each floor. Okay, so this question is from the puzzle and the type is floor based puzzle. As we all know that before solving the floor based puzzle, what we have to do, we have to fix floors. Okay, and how many floors, the numbers which is given to us in the puzzle. So we have 8 floors, so we have to fix 8 floors by using the number. Okay, from top to bottom in descending order. So we have to write the top floor is at 8th number, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2 and then 1. Okay, so before solving any kind of floor based puzzle, you have to first fix the floors. After fixing the floors, your job will be easier and you can solve your question very quickly in examination. Okay, so we have fixed the floor. Now we will start solving the puzzle. So the question is, R lives on 3rd numbered floor. Question starts from here. Okay, so R lives on the 3rd number floor. Only 2 persons lives between the floors of R and V. So there should be the gap of 2 persons between R and V. Okay, so V can also come upside to R or R can go downside to V. Both the cases are possible. So we can fix this hint in our puzzle. Okay, so according to this hint, where V can come, V can come downside to R? No. Why? Because there is no space left for V after the gap of 2 floor. Okay, so we should come upside to R only. So 1 and 2, we should come on the 6th floor. Okay, this hint we have used completely. Now W lives on the floor immediately above the floor of Q. Okay, just above Q, W is living. Okay, both are the immediate neighbor. So this is the second hint. Only one person lives between the floor of T and U. So between T and U, there is a gap of 1 person. T lives above U. So here it is specifically mentioned that T should come upside U. Okay, so where I can put T and U's hint and W and Q hint, there is lot of possibilities at this particular point of time. So we will read further and then we will decide we have to make the possibility or not. Okay, only one person lives between the floor of R and S. Okay, so between R and S there is a gap of 1 floor. So S can go upside to R and S can go downside to R. So we are getting 2 cases. So we can draw this because we know the confirmed place of R. That is why we are drawing 2 possibilities. Okay, this is case number 1, this is case number 2. In case number 1, let us assume S is on the 1st floor. In case number 2, let us assume S is on the 5th floor. Okay, now S lives on any floor below the floor of T. So below T, S should come. Okay, just look at the case number 2. If I try to put our third hint, can I put T and U upside to S? Can I put T and U upside to S? No. Why? Because there is a gap of 1 floor between T and U. Okay, and T should come upside to S. It is written over here. Okay, if I assume T at this particular point or at this particular floor, after the gap of 1 you should come, but here S is already seated, so this is not possible. Okay, if I assume T on the 8th floor, then here U should come after the gap of 1. Okay, but it is not possible because V is already seated at 6th floor, so our second case is completely eliminated. Okay, now we have only one case left, that is case number 1. Now let us try to put this in third int. Can I put T on the 8th floor? No. Why? Because at the gap of one floor you should come, but here V is already seated, so it is not possible. Can I put T on the 7th floor? Yes. Okay. After the gap of 1 you should come. Yes, it is following. But if I try to put hint number 2 in case number 1, that is W is coming just above Q. So we need 2 consecutive floor empty. Okay, we need 2 consecutive floor empty, but after putting this hint, that's of T and U, we are not seeing any consecutive 2 floors empty. So T and U place is not possible at these 2 floors. Okay, so T is possible on the 4th and U is on 2nd. Okay, W is on 8th and Q is on 7th. After putting T on 4th and U on 2nd, we got 2 consecutive floor empty for W and Q. That is why W and Q came on 8th and 7th floor. Okay, now only one floor is left, that is the 5th one. In this floor, the person which we have not putted will come. Okay, so we have not used P, so at 5th floor P should come. So this is the complete arrangement. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now we will solve the question based on it. So the question is, who among the following lives on the 5th numbered floor? So as we have solved already, on 5th floor P is living, so option number D is correct. Okay, now question number 2, who among the following lives exactly between R and S? Between R and S, U is living, so option number A. Okay, now question number 3, who among the following lives on the topmost floor? On the topmost floor W is living, so option number C. Okay, now next question, 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and hence they form a group. Which one of the following does not belong to that group? So what we have to do, we have to find the odd one out by seeing the options only. 4 options will follow the same pattern, one option will not, and this option we need to mark. Okay, which is not following the same pattern. So option number A, R. R is living on the 3rd floor, or we can say odd number floor. Option number B, V. V is living on the even number floor. Option number C, P. P is living on the odd number floor. Option number D, that is S. S is living on the odd number floor. Q. Q is living on the odd number floor. So apart from V, every person is living on the odd number floor. So V is the odd one out. So option number B we will mark. Now question number 5. How many persons lives between the floors of Q and U? So between Q and U, how many persons are living? That we have to check. We can check very easily. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 persons are living between Q and U. So correct answer is option number E. Okay, thank you very much student. We have covered our today's session. Okay student, for practice these type of question, you need to download our entry app. The link is given in the description box. When you download it, it will ask you the login detail. When you fill the login detail, you will get the interface like this. On our entry app, you will not only get the reasoning section quizzes, but also different subject quizzes which are relevant for your exam, such as quantitative aptitude, English, and general awareness. All these quizzes are being updated regularly. If you want to practice, what you have to do, you have to go in the practice section where you will get interface like this. Okay, you can click on the exam which you are preparing. After clicking on this, you will get your free mock test. Okay, so let's suppose you have clicked on SBI Clerk 2020. Okay, after clicking it, you will see the interface like this. Our app will ask you, are you preparing for SBI Clerk 2020? Then simply click on yes. Okay, then you will see the number of courses related to SBI Clerk 2020. You can attempt any of these course related to SBI Clerk 2020. Okay, let us suppose you have clicked on model exam. If you clicked on model exam, you will see the window like this or interface like this. Okay, in model exam section, you will see the number of mocks. Okay, you can attempt any of this mock because it is available free on our app. Okay, let's suppose you clicked on mock 18. Okay, after clicking it, you will get interface like this where it will show you the number of questions in that mock and total time allotted to it and the total number of marks. Okay, after attempting it, you will see the interface like this where you can see the number of questions correct by you and the wrong done by you and total number of question which is unanswered. Okay, after this you will see this analytic window. Okay, this is very important because by seeing this only you will be able to analyze your weak areas and work on it. Okay student, if you like my tricks given in this video, you can purchase our premium classes which is available only on the Entry app, where I have taken various chapters like inequalities, puzzles and so on. By purchasing our premium classes, you will not be able to improve your weak areas, but also your marks in examination will also get improved. And student, you are getting another benefit also by downloading our app, that is you can attempt free daily quizzes and you can attempt live IBPS RRB rank booster quizzes as well. And daily live quiz is available at 10 a.m. on our app, and you will get daily 15 questions and time will be allotted to you, that is 15 minutes. Apart from that, you are getting IPS clerk rank booster quiz on the daily basis where you will get 10 questions in 6 minutes you have to solve, which is of 10 marks. So this will help you to improve your rank in actual examination with high speed and accuracy. Student, if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe it. Okay, if you like our video, just give a thumbs up. Do not forget to comment and do share our video to your friends and other those who are preparing, so that they can also avail the benefit provided by the Entry. Okay, see you in the next video student. Till then, take care. Bye bye.